Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Valentine's Day fudge, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Once a month I get together with some of my friends here on YouTube and we create videos for you. This month we all work together to each create some Valentine's desserts for you guys. This is a collaboration hosted by my friends Kristy and Melissa. Kristy's channel is called Kristy's Farmhouse and Melissa's channel is called I'm Merely Melissa. I'm going to link both their channels and the playlist in my description box below. Please check all of them out and get some inspiration for some Valentine's desserts. So today, like I said, I'm going to be preparing some Valentine's Day fudge. I just made this fudge in December, but I'm making it again with a little Valentine spin. Okay, so to make this Valentine fudge, I have the following main ingredients that you will need, which is some condensed milk. I use this whole little can, and I will put down in the description box the exact measurements. I use 2 cups of the semi-sweet chocolate morsels and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's definitely what you're going to need for your fudge. Then I have some cute little sprinkles. I have a heart cookie cutter, and I have some little conversation sweethearts that I may add to the top. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but first I'm just going to do this. It's going to be so simple. I'm going to take my main ingredients, the chocolates, the condensed milk, and the vanilla extract, mix them together in this mixing bowl, pop it in the microwave, and then I am ready to put it in this pan that I have here that I've already lined with parchment paper to sit in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. So I just used a microwave safe measuring cup, this glass one that you see here, and I put in my 2 cups of chocolate chips, 14 ounces of condensed milk. I looked on the can just to make sure that it was, and it is 14 ounces, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I popped it in the microwave. I set the microwave on 3 minutes, but I got it out after about 2 minutes, just when the chocolate chips were melted.
I'll be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
After taking it out of the microwave, I just stir everything together, and I decided to put my little Valentine's twist here by adding in some sprinkle hearts, and you can see it all the way through, and I think it just turned out so cute and added the perfect Valentine's Day touch.
I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again.
Simply pour my fudge into some parchment paper on this pan, and then I'm just going to pop that in the refrigerator.
Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Love you
fudge got a little thick in the refrigerator, I did take my heart cookie cutter and I cut out 4 hearts. So I am just pulling that out now. The fudge has been in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. This is after dinner at this time, so it's nice and hard. So I'm having to actually pull around it to get those heart shapes out.
And I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you.
I decided to take these little pink sprinkles and just sprinkle them on the heart. And then I decided to just take a conversation piece heart and put in the middle. I think this would be a fun decorating activity that you could do with your kids and let them help and decorate it however you choose.
Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love it till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it inspires you to create something for Valentine's Day, and I think these just turned out so adorable. I did not do this on camera, but after about an hour of sitting in the refrigerator, I grabbed these and I used a heart cookie cutter to cut out these little hearts. Of course, I'm not going to eat this much fudge in one sitting, but I just thought it was so cute for Valentine's Day. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Please check out Kristy's channel and Melissa's channel along with the playlist. I know you're going to find some great Valentine's dessert inspiration. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. See you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.